welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have had another parcel come from Madam Glam. So in this parcel they've sent me the August collection, and they've sent me 2 of the reflective gels. Now I've not tried these. Look at them, guys, look at them. Ooh, can't wait to try them. So they sent me 2 reflective gels. This one's called Rock and Blue. This one's called Fancy Pants. And they've sent me this one, which is called Cat's Pajamas. And this one's called Groupie. And they've also sent me the black gel paint. I did ask about this because I use a lot of black gel paint. I do a lot of freehand work, and yeah, I use a lot of black gel paint. So I did ask if I could try that. So I can't wait to give that a try. So these Madam Glam gel polishes, guys, are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula. Now they was 9 free formula, but they have now changed them to 21 free formula. So they have still got the odd bottles left of the 9 free formula, but once they've sold all them through, then every single bottle from now on will be 21 free formula. But it always tells you on the back anyway if it's 9 free or if it's 21 free. Also, it is palm oil free and henna free, so pretty much anyone can use these gel polishes. And again, with the black gel paint, the same, vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, henna free, palm oil free. So I think today what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to do a little design, and I'm going to use Cat's Pajamas, and I'm going to use Fancy Pants, and I'm going to use the black gel paint. So Rock and Blue and Groupie, I'm going to swatch these. I'm going to swatch all of them, but I'm not going to use these in a design today. And then in a few days' time, I shall do a design with these as well, guys. I've got a design in mind for these, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. So yeah, what I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to give them a quick swatch, but I'm going to speed it up because this is going to be quite a long video else if I don't. I'm not going to swatch the black gel paint because you're going to see me using it today anyway. And then we'll get on with the design. So, first one is Cat's Pajamas. Oh, that's a nice colour, I like that. It's a really nice sort of mauvey colour. Gorgeous colour, I really like that. Next one is Groupie. Oh, I like this blue, it's a really nice blue actually. Gorgeous blue, look at that. So now we're on to the reflective gels. So first one is Fancy Pants, which is this gorgeous purpley reflective. And I've not tried these reflective glitters yet, guys, so I'm so excited to see what they're like. Oh, look at all the glitter in there. Wow, look at that. Look at that hollow, guys. Wow. And then lastly, we have got Rock and Blue. Now with these glitters, you haven't got to have them over a clear. You can put them over a colour so they're not so transparent. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. That's gorgeous. So I'm going to give this one a second coat. See, as I was saying, guys, you can either put these over a colour or you can just build them up. Just keep doing layers until you're happy with them. Look at that. Wow, I can't wait to see that in the flashlight. So now we're on to the design. And like I said earlier, we're going to be using the black gel paint, fancy pants, and cat's pajamas. Right, so I'm going to start off by doing a coat of cat's pajamas. So I'm going to do a full cover on the thumb, the middle, and the ring finger. And then on the pointer and pinky, I'm going to be doing about 2/3. Now look at this colour, guys. This colour is gorgeous. I actually think this is probably my favourite colour gel polish that I own. It's beautiful. Really nice colour. And look at that for one coat, guys. One coat. So opaque and creamy. Really, really nice. And then on these two nails, I'm going to do about 2/3. Right, so I've got a bit of the backing off a paper form, shiny side up. I'm going to paint a strip of that. You don't want to paint this too thick, guys. I did it a little bit too thick, if I'm being honest. I would have liked it a little bit thinner than what I did it. If you ever go at doing this, guys, don't worry about feeling like you're going to waste it, because you're not. Whatever you don't use, you can save for a later date. On this thumbnail, I want to do a glitter fade using fancy pants. So with a glitter fade, you want more glitter at the cuticle. And then fade it down. Don't forget the sides. There we go. Glitter fade done. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm using the Madam Glam shiny top coat. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using the Madam Glam black gel paint. So I'm going to be painting a butterfly. Right, I'm going to pop those in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I just want to say, this black gel paint is thebomb.com. That is so opaque and really nice to work with as well. It's not too thick. It's really, really nice consistency. Really like that. Definitely my new favourite black gel paint, for sure. So now I'm using Fancy Pants and I'm just going to fill in that butterfly. So I've applied a little bit with the brush out of the bottle. Now I'm just going to make sure all the edges are all filled in with my detailer brush. And then once I'm happy with that, I've not cured that, and I'm going to pop some of this glitter into that uncured gel polish. Right guys, I'm going to add a few little bits of this glitter into this here. Just to jazz it up a little bit. Only a little bit, I'm not going to put a lot in. I'm just going to put it in with my detailer brush. Right, now I'm using the Madam Glam shiny top coat. I'm going to apply a coat of that to all 5 nails. Right, so that's now been cured. See how easy that was to come off there? Comes off so easy off that backing. So now I want to cut this into strips. And this is what I was saying earlier. It doesn't matter if you feel like you're wasting it, you're not. Because now, whatever you don't use, you can just pop it in the drawer and save it for next time. So I'm now getting them strips and I'm holding them down with my fingers and popping it in the lamp. And I'm just sticking them into that top coat, guys. If I was doing them on my own nails, I think I would probably use nail glue or something. But you'll see there that the edges haven't held down that well, not as well as I'd have hoped. So I would have spent more time on them if I was going to be wearing them. Because they was on tips, I didn't make much effort with the sides. But they still look alright. But can you see what I mean there? Why I was saying earlier about don't do it too thick. If they wasn't as thick, them strips, they wouldn't be looking so bulky at the edges. There we are, guys, that's them all done. What do you think? I really like them. I think they're really, really pretty. I shall get a picture of them under the flashlight and I shall add that in at the end of this video so you can take a look at them. They're super, super shiny though. Really shiny under that. They're super shiny without the flashlight, but under that flashlight they're even shinier. They're gorgeous. I love this new reflective glitter. So that's them all swatched as well. They've all had a coat of the shiny top coat. Look at them. Really, really cool. Can't wait to do some more designs, especially with these two, Rock and Blue and the Groupie. These two middle ones. I've got a really cool design in mind for them. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, guys. As always, I shall leave the link to these in my description box below. You'll also find my discount code there as well, which is GG30. You'll also see I pinned that in the top right hand corner of the screen as I normally do. So don't forget to save yourself 30% off. They also do a VIP membership as well, guys. If you want any information on that, just head on over to the website and you'll get all the information that you need on there. And yeah, I think that's everything for this video. I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these. I really, really like them. Really like them. And yeah, that's everything for this video. So I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.